Page 89, ice skating. Here we get to use the stuff we've done in the previous two etudes. So we got some of the scale passage, we got the chords going, we got lots of good stuff here. So I'll go through the routine that I use for learning a piece of music and see what happens. Here it's 2 lines long with a repeat sign, treble bass clef, 2 sharps in the key signature. We're studying the key of D major, it makes sense. 6 8-time signatures, so an 8th note gets a count. Take it one hand at a time, make sure we know what the hands are doing. The hands are moving around a little bit. So at the beginning of the right hand, you're here, put you in this position. Don't forget the C sharp. And basically it's a scale going down. 1, 2, and then you reach up just a little. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You hold the A down for 5 counts, and then thumbs here, you're just going up. See, it is like a scale passage. Again, remember when you get these passages in music, you might start and end on any note, but while you're playing it, it'll feel like a scale. Here, and then a G and a C sharp, and then an F sharp and a D. And if your hand's big enough, I recommend second finger on the F sharp, just come down. I can connect both notes. And that comes in handy in a lot of pieces. Some pieces you need to do it. So if your hand's big enough, I recommend it. If not, you gotta do that. But connect this. You can't connect that. Just, I'm holding that down. However, I still prefer second finger and connect both notes. And then you'd repeat it again. Or repeat it the first time. Play it again. Something. Left hand, well, you get the 1 chord, then the 4 chord, and then second line. Now it's sort of like a scale. You just cross over. And we just kind of cover 6 notes with 5 fingers, and this is one way we do it. We just cross over for 1 note. Otherwise, it feels like the scale. Then we put the hands together and see what happens. Well, you're holding the left hand down, big deal. And then here, and then here, and then both hands together now. Just like a scale, sort of. Here, that's what I recommend. And once you have that, then go over it slowly and get rid of any hesitations. So it's a steady 8th note pulse throughout. Then I think about the articulation, and this is connected here. Lift up, lift. It's like taking a breath. The left hand you have to lift up. So it's then you get a rest at the end, you have to lift up. Another rest, you have to lift up. So most of the phrasing is built in for you. It's just between measures 2 and 3 you're lifting up. Then the dynamics, F-P. See, this is what I was talking about on the previous lesson. We're going to play it twice. I don't want to play it the same way both times. Change something. Here they're changing the dynamics. So the first time is loud, and it's going to be, for the most part, the right hand. It's just, I'm heavy. Ugh. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. And then the second time it's soft. Very light. Now in the second line, it's sort of both hands on this measure. And then the right hand, the left hand gets, we want that. This is soft. So it's the melody's kind of going back and forth between the hands here. As far as the speed goes, they don't give you one, it's up to you. It needs to be accurate. So how fast do you want to play? Find the hardest part and how fast does that go? That's fine. You don't have to skate real fast. Sort of one way of doing it. Don't copy me, get into it. Like we did in the last lesson, maybe I don't want to end it soft. Maybe I want to end it loud. Well, in that case, the second time I'll crescendo in the last two measures. I'll start soft, louder. I'll end it loud here. Maybe I want to end it. That's interpretation. The natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or the second line. Feel the natural accents. I exaggerate them so you can hear them better, but just feel them. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 6 counts. We are going to repeat it too. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 2, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. 1, 2, 5, rest. 3, 4, 5, repeat. 2, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, rest. 2, 5, rest. 2, 3, 4, 5, rest.